Hey everyone, welcome back to the signNow video guide with a new helpful tip on how electronic signatures can transform your day-to-day document workflows.
Regardless of whether your customers have a signNow account or not, they can sign a document whenever they receive a signature request. Moreover, the signNow Guide Me feature takes them through the entire signing process so as not to miss any fields. As they open a document sent to them, they'll see a pop-up notification telling them who has invited them to sign and the number of required and optional fields they have to fill out. All they need to do is click Get Started and then click the orange Start arrow to proceed with filling in their document. Want to become a certified eSignature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses. signNow provides its users with a seamless eSignature experience anytime, anywhere, on any device. signNow's intuitive interface allows first-time users to create an account, upload documents, and send their first document for signing in minutes. No long training or downloads required. Break free from pricing plans with hidden costs for overages or renewals. With signNow, you only pay for what you use without overcharges for extra sends or templates. Close deals faster, improve your team collaboration, and get complete visibility into the document signing process using advanced functionality that is tailored to your needs. signNow is committed to protecting your sensitive information by complying with global, industry-specific security standards. On top of that, signNow easily integrates with the apps and CRM that you already use, close deals, and accelerate projects without leaving your software, and supercharge your experience with the Business Cloud, an end-to-end solution that not only incorporates eSignature, but PDF editing and document workflow automation.
Of course, we've barely scratched the surface of what signNow is capable of. So you want to try it yourself? Start your free trial right now. And no worries, you can cancel at any time. Got questions? Ask us in the comments.